Hey guys and girls, so today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on the new style Land Rover key fob. This is from a 2018 Land Rover Discovery. Most Land Rover models are going to look about the same. This is a new style key for Land Rover, so I thought it might be worthwhile, and it is actually quite difficult to get this thing pried open. First, you press this little button, which is like spring loaded, and it's actually pretty strong, so you may want to get a tool in there to do it. So your valet key comes out, and then what you want to do, you kind of want to be careful, but I don't think you can break this. It's pretty hard plastic. So you want to stick your key in between these two teeth right here, and you pry it open like that, and that'll give you a nice crack open sound. Then you want to go a little deeper into the next crevice right here. Give it a next open, and then it'll open up like that. The first time you do this, it's going to be pretty hard, okay? You're not going to break it. I didn't break it. And then it will open. But then, so if it doesn't, you just want to slide your key a little further all the way in and give it a nice twist and open it, okay? Once you open it, it's your usual fare. It's a CR2032 battery you can get from Amazon. Doesn't matter what brand. And it is face down, so when it's in, you should be able to read the letters, okay? So just like that. And once you're done replacing the battery, you just put the cover back on, like so. Give it a nice firm crack on both sides. Just make sure it's nice and tight. And then you put this guy back in, and it requires a surprising amount of force to do all of this. I'm used to changing a lot of batteries on keys, and I've got several other videos. And this, I would say, requires the most force of anything I've used so far. But it's a nice key. It's definitely an improvement over the previous generation keys that Land Rover put out, because the previous generation ones had this like rubberized cover that would peel off, which I really disliked. And I really like the size of this key. It's substantial, but it's not too big. It fits in your pocket and fits in your palm. It's harder to lose it, I think. I personally like it, and it seems like it would be waterproof, but I probably wouldn't want to test it to see if it is or not. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe, and leave your comments below if you have any questions. Thank you.